Yo guys, what's going on? So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a Pokemon Go Spoofer for 2026. This will give you a joystick. You got a bar on the right side of the screen which shows you all the nearby Pokemon. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. You can see all the top cities in the world. We can actually go ahead and teleport to these. So I'm going to show you how to do it. But as you can see, bang, 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 I just teleported. I mean, there are so many settings in here, guys. It's super cool. So I'm going to go ahead and show you can actually change the speed your character walks, which is super cool. I mean, it's a very advanced, and there's lots to do in here. We have our joystick, of course, which allows us to walk around the Pokemon world from our house. So anyway, guys, I'm going to show you how to download it onto your device. So let's get into the video, and yeah, it's pretty easy. So all you have to do, honestly, is go to the browser and type in tweakmod.com. So once you're on this website, guys, there's going to be a lot of different apps. So just look for Pokemon Go. So that's the Pokemon Go Spoofer. Press install, and before it downloads, there will be a verification. So this is the last step. You just have to download 2 apps. Follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from official app stores. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load, as you can see. So it's loading up right now. So let's see what happens. All right, we should be rich in the game. All right, let's see what we get. So yeah, you can get so many Pokemon and all PokéStops unlocked because you can teleport, so you'll be rich with your Pokeballs. So as you can see, we're on the last step now. This is the verification. So you just have to download 2 of these apps. There's a video to watch if you're confused, but you can see like Travel Town, Lucky Match. This one says reach level 13, so it's a game. So I just download it, reach level 13. No problem there. Travel Town, DraftKings, Mode Casino. There's a video to watch if you're confused, but that's how to do it, guys. So be sure to try us out. It's super cool. So I hope you guys enjoy, but that's how I get Spoofer without a computer or anything. So really cool, and it actually works, guys. So I think you're gonna really enjoy this. Just make sure you got the background app refresh turned on, and you got the low power mode turned off, because that would mess you up. So if you got that on, you're screwed, bro. So I'm gonna see you later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys, if you want to get the fully working Pokemon Go Spoofer. Super cool, and it totally works. So be sure to try it out. I'm gonna see you guys later. But there's the website, guys, tweakmod.com. So get the word out, bro. It actually works. So I'm gonna see you in another one. But yeah, be sure to subscribe. I've been looking at many videos, and this is the only real way to get it. Pokemon Go Spoofer, tweakmod.com, bro. So try it out. This actually works. So I'm gonna see you later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe. Tell your friends, guys. It's legit. So yeah, if you play Pokemon Go, guys, you gotta get down dirty with this method. Like, there's so many settings in here, guys. It's crazy. You have the joystick so you can walk around Pokemon World, of course. Gotta have that joystick, bro, because I want to be someone with a big joystick because I can actually walk around. So yeah, this is actually working, guys. So make sure you do the verification, and you should be good to go. But other than that, I think you're all set. So I'm gonna see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is totally working, guys, so I hope you enjoyed it. I haven't had any problems with this whatsoever, so I think it's going to be the same for you. It's a great time to play Pokemon Go because you can like run it and everything with the joystick. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys, if you like Pokemon Go. Super cool, totally legit, and yeah, it's no jailbreak needed or anything like that. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, and peace out, bros.